Okay, cool, yeah.
Tell us about the notes.
I've never met anyone from Arkansas either until just.
This is the hardest thing I've ever done. There's those little steps that really got me.
Yeah. Well, we made them, so they're going up. Good morning. It is another baking and decorating day today because in the last video we only really made gingerbread biscuits and we only really got one decoration. So today we're going to be actually making some of the decorations that I talked about in the last baking and decorating video. If you haven't seen that, I will link it above and below. Because these oranges are sitting in my fruit bowl being like, use me, Immy, use me. And now I actually have some what are they called, like cookie cutter things, because of buying one from the Ark thrift store last time for the gingerbread cookies. We can make those ones that we can bake in the oven and then hang on the tree. Not biscuits, they're like a handmade salt. I only know what it is in French, I don't know what it is in English, I don't know what they're called. So we're gonna make some of those today. And I'm wearing my secondhand coat that I got from another Ark thrift store a couple weeks ago. You've probably seen this a lot, it's like my favorite coat at the moment because it's so warm and I just love it. It was $15. Before we do anything though, first we're going to go and get some bagels and a coffee. We don't really buy coffee out that often, but we're going to treat ourselves. We're going through a bit of a bagel phase, i.e. he bought 12 bagels yesterday, no 6, and we've eaten them all already by today. Bagel time, bagel time. Where's my bag? Here it is. Show me the bagels. We got the bagels. I know. Okay, so I got a cortado, delicious, but he got a pour over.
Tell us about the notes.
It's very peachy.
Very peachy.
Very peachy.
It's one of the best pour over?
Yeah.
One of the best pour overs where I can actually taste what they say is in it.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like coffee marketing BS. It's like, oh, it actually tastes like peach and strawberry glaze.
Okay, where the bagel's concerned, Einstein bagels are actually vegan, except for obviously the ones that have cheese in them, but they're regular bagels. They all are vegan. So we got 6 everything bagels and then he got 6 vegetarian bagels. So I think I'm gonna have one right now because I am pretty hungry, and then we'll get baking the orange slices. So the plan for today, we're going to be doing some decorating. I've just put the oranges in the oven. They're going to be in there for quite a while, but because we're going to go out, we're going to keep the oven on until we go out, and then I'm just going to turn the oven off and let them sit in there for the rest of the day. Because today we're planning on going to Colorado Springs. There's a vegan market on that we want to go and check out, but we also want to do the like mile incline hike, and then it's like a mile straight up, and there's like 3.5 miles sort of wiggling all the way down. And I thought that'd be a more interesting video to show you guys because quite a few people have been asking for more sort of hikes and showing around Denver and other areas. So we're gonna go and do that. And we might go to another thrift store just to see if we can find some more holiday decorations. But to be honest, I don't think we're gonna decorate that much. We're just gonna add in some of those baked ones as well, which we need to get round to doing today. Actually, let's do that now. May I have a spatula? Thank you, darling. Salt. that right? Jess gave me the recipe for this. Jess Impact for good.
Arkansas, Arkansas, cheese and salt, Arkansas. Never been to Arkansas, or met someone from Arkansas.
I'd never met anyone from Arkansas either until Jess. She bloody loves it there. Oh no, I put too much water in. I knew I was only supposed to do half a cup. Okay, so while those are baking in the oven, I'm gonna get dressed and ready to go to our hike and go to Colorado Springs. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna have a bagel because we're quite in the bagel phase right now as of the last 2 or 3 days. So definitely gonna get dressed and get ready for that, and then have the bagel. And then what we're gonna do, as I think I said a little bit earlier, we're gonna turn the oven off and go out, but leave them in the oven so they're sort of still baking, but in a safe way so that we don't have to hang around, and we can turn the oven off as well. So yeah, gonna get dressed now and get ready to go.
Water in place. I'm gonna do 2 garden beds where it's not directly under the canopy of the trees.
And then the zigzag down.
Okay, cool. Yeah, let's do the zigzag down. Is that that's what Craig said, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that it's nicer going down like that. He's absolutely right.
Yeah. Okay, so I've just been watching Shelby's video, her latest one on planning her sustainable garden. And to be honest, I thought it would be a lot colder, and I thought it'd be a lot more snowy and wet at this time of year in Denver, but it's just not. Yeah, I think over the next couple of days, I might do a video similar to Shelby's where I'm like planning out my sustainable garden, seeing how we can basically build a good container garden, because we're just renting, we are not buying this house, so we want to be able to do something that is temporary but also permanent in a way. I don't know, I've just been watching that video while I've been making my plain delicious bagel. And then the trail, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, the one we're doing is called Manitou Trail. Is it called Manitou Incline Trail?
Yeah, Manitou. Yeah, I think it's Manitou Incline.
It's pretty famous. I've actually seen a lot, I watch a lot of videos about trail runners. A lot of people seem to do this. They try to do like FKTs, like fastest known times. And some of them have done it in like under half an hour. I think it's supposed to take an hour to walk, but it's just a mile up. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that.
This is the hardest thing I've ever done.
And showing you the view from the top. I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna watch the rest of Shelby's video, and then we'll get in the car and we'll go.
Pretty incredible view though.
If I could fly, would I keep walking? If I could fly, would I keep walking?
This is the hardest thing I've ever done. But let's turn you around.
Would I float away?
That's about fine now for the after we rest.
His part is before that.
Yeah, it was. There's those little steps that really got me.
Yeah.
Okay, we finished the incline, now we are walking down. We're doing a zigzag one because I think I would actually be too scared to walk down there. And this is prettier, yeah, but there's just a kid that walked up who did it in 2 minutes less than me. I think he looks about 11 years old. So beautiful, but it's so quiet as well. Is there?
I think I made them a bit thick, so they're quite heavy.
See how the branch holds on to it.
Isn't it cute?
Maybe try either pushing it further down the branch or maybe try the lower branch.
Well, we made them, so they're going up.